my channel. So today my sister and I are going jet skiing. So we're going on this guided tour that takes us to the Statue of Liberty and the Brooklyn Bridge. And one of like the main things on this tour is you can't have your phone with you. So I'm gonna try to sneak my phone. So just giving you a warning, everything might be a little crazy looking because I'm gonna have to sneak my phone. The dock for the jet skis is in Jersey. So we're gonna take the PATH train, which is just like the subway, but it goes to Jersey. And we might do a little exploring around Jersey City afterwards if we're not too exhausted from jet skiing. So this is what I'm wearing. And yes, I will be wearing my hoops on the jet skis, which is why I'm wearing my smallest and lightest hoops today. We're on the PATH train on our way to Jersey. There's the World Trade Center! I think that's the other supervisor. Woo! So we just finished jet skiing to the Brooklyn Bridge. My hands hurt. And Statue of Liberty. And I had to hold my phone at this weird angle because we're not allowed to have our phone. And here comes the instructor, bye. So we just got off the jet skis. We gotta wear a mask now. That was so much fun. There's the view. There's New York City. I want to do it again without an instructor, so
we can go wild then.
Yeah. So if anybody is in New York City and has a jet ski or New Jersey, let us know. Okay, so right now we're riding bikes to the PATH train station. Shout out to City Bike. I've been using you guys like crazy just to avoid like using the trains, and it's so nice in this nice weather. Just dropped off our bikes. We are now in Jersey City. We're gonna get something to eat over here. This is like a cute little town. So we're eating at this place called Taqueria downtown. We need to order. So we just got our food. I got a side of rice and beans. This is a cactus taco. I've never tried cactus, so I wanted to try. Ground beef. And then carnitas. And what? Bistec. So we just finished eating at the taco place. What did you think?
I really liked I didn't like the tortilla, but I liked the stuff inside.
Mine was pretty good. The cactus was like, I don't really know how to explain it. A little soury. I feel like I've had something like that before and I can't think of what it is. And then the beef one was pretty good. It had like potato mixed in it. I don't really eat beef.
Wasn't it chicken?
No, they didn't have chicken.
Oh.
They didn't have chicken taco. Because that's what I would get if they had chicken, because I don't really eat beef. But everything else is a little crazier for me. Because I don't really eat meat at all, other than chicken and turkey, shrimp, and lamb. Yeah. So now we're at this Latin food mart because we don't really have many of these in the city. So we just wanted to get some little like Peruvian seasonings and other things we can use to cook. Like, look at all these seasonings. I'm sorry, I love you Trader Joe's, but you can never. Here we have some jarritos. Inca Cola. We're on FaceTime with my mom. She's telling us what brands to get. We're getting some Papa Maria. Choclo.
También es la fe esta. We're back to the station.
This is a train to 33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Gotta sanitize, stay safe. Back home.
So throughout the whole video, I kept saying instructor. I meant to say tour guide, but the tour guide was like everywhere, so that's why the video's a little crazy. I had to keep hiding my phone or else they would confiscate it. Actually, they claim that they would have taken us back, like back to the dock, if they caught us breaking any of the rules. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.